As luck would have it, a neighbor's tree fell on the shop. I needed to clear this before getting back to work on the Kentucky Fried Coupe. Once that was done, I could finally get around to replacing that leaking power steering rack that has been driving me crazy. About time. Alright guys, so I just pulled the drain plug out of the engine from the Silver Coupe, the one that caught fire. And have a look at that, guys. I didn't even put 5,000 kilometers on this engine and it is just covered in metal filings. Now we knew something was bad in there because it only had 14 pounds of oil pressure hot. So it's a good thing we pulled this out before it blew up. Still gonna be a good engine to rebuild. This stuff almost looks like anti-seize, guys. It's so beat up. So there's the drain plug. Now that I've cleaned it off, you can see just how much was on that. All right, so I'm glad we got this engine out of the car. I don't think it would have lasted too much longer. This oil seems just beat for not having that many miles on it, just like water. Well, you take your chances when playing with a mystery engine, right? Yeah, the crank is actually marked on this one. Alright guys, so here's a new short block we're putting in the car. It's got 51 or 57,000 kilometers on it. And I believe that to be the case. I had the caps off, the bearings look really good. Everything is super clean inside here. And you can still read things like there's an OK sticker. We've got paint markings all across the block. It just looks so much better than the motor we took out, which was all varnished, full of sludge, and there was no markings of any kind to be seen. So I really think this motor should be what it is.